What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 websites that will pay you daily in 2019, and these are easy home-based jobs. So all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as I said earlier here, I will share with you 5 websites today here that will pay you daily in 2019 and beyond. Now these are perfect, easy work from home jobs to get started with, to make a few extra bucks. You might not get rich with this kind of opportunities. If you're serious in building a long-term business, online business, and make some serious money online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below here. But we save that for the end of this video. These opportunities are definitely perfect to get started with, to make some extra money while you build your long-term business there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first site that we want to have a look at today is Scribe.com. And this is how it looks when we arrived at the site here. This is a transcription site, okay? You can transcribe your audio or video files, and this is when someone wants to have transcribed. You arrived at this site here. You can see it says you transcribe your audio or video files rates starting at 10 cents per minute. So we are not interested in having something transcribed today here, but we go at the bottom, and you can go actually to jobs or transcribers. So let's go to transcribers. So this is the overview. Home-based job, work at your convenience. You can make $5 to $25 per audio hour. Short files, 10 minutes or less. And you also get actually monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed. So the introduction, it says that it offers a great opportunity to augment your income by transcribing audio files for us. The work involves listening to the audio files and typing it as accurately as possible. You just need to go through a test process, and they will test you actually probably how fast you can type. So you can actually go to something like do an testing type online and do a test there actually to see how fast you can type, so you can improve that also, so you're better prepared actually. Now for each submission, your Scribe.com account will be credited with the appropriate dollar amount. Your earnings will accumulate and you can transfer it to your PayPal account anytime. Okay, so that is how you get paid daily. So from PayPal the funds can be transferred of course to your bank account or however you want to use them. Now if you're an experienced transcriber and have spare time, then it's definitely a good way to sign up for Scribe. Now you can of course sign up for other sites as well, but this Scribe here, they do pay you instantly. So this is the transcription process here. You can see file splitting, the raw transcription. They do a review, proofreading, quality check, and then you're ready to go. The payments here, you can see we pay $5 to $25 per hour, as I mentioned earlier, and you can actually also make some extra money here if you refer people to this site. So definitely another option to make some extra bucks there. So definitely have a look at Scribe.com. The next site we're going to have a look at is Testing Time. And how this works is that you become a tester. So you test products at home via Skype or on a site with a customer. It says here earn up to $50 50 euros per hour, which is $60 per hour. It converts actually because I'm located in Greece here. Impact the products of tomorrow. You're one of the first people to test future products and have the opportunity to improve them. So basically how it works is that you help people actually to test some new products. They tell you exactly, they guide you through in Skype exactly what to do and they want your feedback, so they want you to comment on it, talk loud more or less. So they say, can you find the blue dress on this site? And you say the blue dress on this site is somewhere here, somewhere like that. No, I found it very hard to find it. And then they improve it later on, okay? So they improve the site to have the best options, conversions, and so on there. So as I said, you sign up with testing time, you accept the job, you test, and you get paid, okay? That is pretty much it about testing time. Really a simple way to get started with to make some money. The next site that we're going to have a look at is OneSpace.com. OneSpace.com, let's go to the top here, is actually a site also for freelancers, for smaller tasks actually. Now they do have, of course, some big tasks as well, but this is a platform when someone wants to have some extra jobs done, some small tasks and so on. We are interested in the freelancer resources section. So you can see here, they actually search for freelancers here, but you can see here how it works. You get paid daily, quickly with daily payments for your approved work. We make it easy to monitor your income and payment history, so you can focus on crushing financial goals instead of crushing numbers. Variety, flexibility, and experience. So you can't just go through the site here. They do have different tasks that you can do actually. So have a look at it here at onespace.com. The next site is also a freelance site, and I usually refer to this site. It is Upwork. This is one of the largest freelance sites actually on the planet here for now. You can see they have big companies, they are trusted by these, Dropbox, Microsoft, but you can find anything actually if you want a freelancer here, okay? Neither if it is a web developer, a writer, virtual assistant, or whatever can come up to your mind. Now I just did a video yesterday where I talk about how you can become an audio and video editor. I do that by promoting my own course, which is Audio Video Mastery, which I actually run on a discounted campaign right now. So it's a perfect way to get started without any previous experience, okay? And as soon as you have finished the job, you will get paid. So you can actually sign up, just to give you a quick example here, video editor, okay? Just came up with it right now again. If you missed the video there, you can see here these guys are editors, and they charge anything from $30, $40, $50, and it is easy to get started with. I mean, you don't have to take the hardest and the toughest jobs there, because what you need to do to these kind of sites is actually you go in there daily, find what you think you can apply for and take that job offer. Basically what you do first is you bid on the job, okay? So you bid low in the beginning until you get some testimonials there, and then you can start to increase based on your experience. So definitely a perfect opportunity, no matter if you want to get started with a video editor or whatever your skills are. I don't know your skills, so whatever you are, you can do, you can sign up for really quick. And there is so many opportunities here. I've seen the most craziest and some weird jobs actually. So do not limit yourself that you're not skilled, because I can definitely guarantee you that you are skilled in something that you can take up on some kind of a freelance job here. So that is about Upwork actually. Definitely worth to check out for as well. Finally, the fifth website, a little bit different, is treasuretrooper.com. This is how it looks when you arrive at the site. And here you may make money by completing offers, taking paid service, be rewarded, and referring friends. You can see here what's happening right now. This user actually took a survey and got $1. So how it works is that Treasure Trooper is a free service that provides you with several money-making opportunities Simply register by providing your name, email address, password, and payment information. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Complete offers, and they have hundreds of offers ranging anything from 50 cents to $50. So that is cool. And as offers are verified, they are moved from the pending offers page to the approved, and you're eligible to receive payments once you have reached the minimum balance of $20. So when you reach that, you may request an instant payment. Okay, so you get paid there really, really fast. And here is also what I mentioned earlier: refer your friends and get an extra 20% of all the offers they complete for life. Get involved in the many of the aspects. So that is about 5 websites that pay you daily. Now keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, these kind of opportunities won't make you rich, but they are perfect to make a few extra bucks there. If you're interested in building a long-term business and make some serious money online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below here. Alright, that's it for today. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to both my channels that you will find at the end screen here. Do not leave yet. You'll find 2 channel recommendations. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both because both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another cool make money online video there. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.